Dapat tinalian nila yun.
Quiet, quiet.
Brothers and sisters, today we gather in joy and reverence for a momentous celebration, the Holy Mass and the solemn declaration of the National Shrine of La Virgen Divina Pastora as a minor basilica, coinciding with the 60th anniversary of the canonical coronation of La Virgen Divina Pastora. This event signifies our community. May today's celebration fortify our faith and deepen our dedication to God and one another under the tender care of La Virgen Divina Pastora. We are graced by the presence of the Most Reverend Charles John Brown, D.D., Apostolic Nuncio to the Philippines, who will preside over our liturgy. His participation